everybody, I'm going to be singing the first part of I Drive Your Truck. 89 cents in the ashtray, half empty bottle of Gatorade, ruining the floorboard, that dirty red gap on the dash, old bull can and cowboy boots in a go army shirt, I fold in the back. This thing burns gas like crazy, but that's alright. People got their ways of coping, knowing I got mine. I drive your truck, I roll